for Pete and Repeat Thornsberry. Well, listen up, folks. I can tell just by looking at you, there's nobody out here actually old enough to remember when these songs were popular and out on the radio.
Hey, Wilbur.
What?
I see somebody old enough. That guy back there, he's bald-headed.
Well, that's no guy. That's a... Oh, sorry, man.
No, that guy back there, not her. That guy, I'm sure he's... Hey, are you bald, sir?
Billy Bob.
Maybe he's sitting upside down.
Oh, shut up, Billy Bob. That's not nice. Mind your manners. Maybe you remember your parents singing these around the house, folks. If that's the case, and I'm sure that's the case, snap, clap, or sing along. We're gonna take it home. And I need to take a love. We need to start love. It was love from the light. Remember that. Excuse me.
You're excused.
Just like it was back in 1956.